Hello everyone. This is my first video and I'm just getting my craft room all set up. So I hope y'all enjoy this video that I have today. I'm glad that y'all decided to take our time and be with me today, and I am going to start out my videos with masks. We have seen so much on TV about everybody need to wear a mask, and I think everybody should, because I have worked in the medical field for 30 years as a retired RT. And so I think mask is very important to keep down germs, airborne germs, and touching. We need to use gloves and all of that. But today I'm going to do one on mask. I started out with this one, and I used like a t-shirt to do it just for the strings, but it wasn't doable because people have to tie it and then they have to take it off their face, and it's just hard to take off. So I said, no, we're not going to do that one. So I went to another one, and I also used like t-shirt strings, and that just didn't work very good at all. So I said, well, no, we're not going to do that. So today I'm going to show y'all how to do one with elastic. And I think this is about the best one that I have came up with. It's easy, and you just use the elastic, and you have to use like a vacuum cleaner filter to use. And this is the vacuum cleaner filter. I bought this at a vacuum cleaner place. And that's what they do. They work on vacuum cleaners. They sell filters and all of that. And I looked at YouTube, and some lady had said that her husband was a doctor and everything, and he said it was the best kind to use, the one with this HEPA bags. So if you can find some kind of place that you can buy these bags, they are so much better. And I'm going to tell you why. Each lever on these, it's about 5 different filters in it. You got this filter, you have this filter, then you have you got about 3 more filters that this has. And I think this is about the best that you can really buy, because the germs has to go through all of these different filters to get to you. So this is about the best one, I think. So I have already cut them out, and this right here is the filter that I'm using here. So I already have cut them out, and I'm so sorry I cut out the last one, so I can't show you how to cut them. But what I am going to do, I'm going to show you a picture on how to do that. So hold on just 1 second. Shoot. Hold on just a second. So what I did, when you get ready to do the picture, just cut out a sheet of, just pretend this is the filter for your vacuum cleaner. And you're always going to bend it at the fold. Always bend it at the fold. And this is exactly the way I did it, y'all. And then just go through there and make sure you cut on the fold line so you can have that little dent there. And then you'll go ahead and cut it like so. And the sizes just depend on what size that you want it. But I kind of wanted mine to be maybe about 6 inches. But you want this side right here to be 4, because this is where you're going to put your little, I think these are called some type of tube, but it's kind of like got a elastic in it. And that's what they kind of use on masks. So you're going to go ahead and cut that. And then you're going to get your glue gun. You're going to cut it like so. And then you're going to get your glue gun and you're going to paste that down. So I already have pasted some down already. And this is how it's going to look. You take your first little filter thing and you make sure you put it on like so. And you're going to glue it down. I'm sorry, y'all. This is my first video. We're going to glue this down. And then you're going to put it like so. And then you're going to go to your machine. And you're going to sew your little elastic on. If you can't find an elastic, and elastic is hard to find nowadays because everybody's buying it up. So if you can't find no elastic, just use a string. Just use something that you can tie back. But I prefer to use the elastic because you can fit it with everybody. So you're going to go ahead and sew this on. And sew this on like so. And then after you have that done, then you're going to come back, and I got some already made. You're going to put these little folds here in it. I don't know if y'all can see that real good. These little folds here in it. So you're going to sew around here to sew these onto it. And you're going to sew this the bottom and the top part. Bottom and top part on this. And then you're going to just sew those little folds in it. And the reason why for that is because then that way you can have it open and it'll fit your face really good. And I'm going to go ahead and put this one, kind of put it to my face, and you can kind of see how it's going to look. And you're just going to put it to your face like so. And then that way it'll fit in the back of you like so. And make sure that it's fitted real tight because you don't want no germs to get through while you're out buying food or whatever you're out doing. But if you can, stay at home as much as you can. But if you just have to get out to go to the doctor or go to much needed place, but not just out, just roaming around because you don't need to be out. But in case you are out, if I can ever get my hair around this one, y'all, I'm sorry. And then you're going to fit it. You're going to place it just like so. And that fits real snug and tight on you. Just like so. And it's you can tell it's really good because you can't hardly breathe. And a mask is really good when you can't hardly breathe. You don't supposed to be able to breathe real good. That means things are getting through that. So this is not really getting through because I can't hardly breathe. But I can breathe slowly breathing, and I know I'm well protected. So I hope this video helped out. And maybe the next time I'll take our time and go and sew it. But I wanted to see y'all can see these. These are really good. And I made quite a few of them. I wanted to make sure my family, I have a big family. So I wanted to make sure all of them had masks. And so just however way to protect yourself, please do. Just don't go out there in the air and not having nothing on your face. Because they say it's airborne, it says it's airborne. Try to protect yourself and your family. And once you get home, make sure that you do exactly what they tell you to do. Wash your hands real good. Take off your clothes. Put them in a wash machine that you had on. Go take a shower. Wash your hair. And just be safe. And thanks, y'all, for taking our time and listening to me. And I hope y'all have a blessed day. Thank you. Bye-bye.